Hey everyone, Attac Racc here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a repeating pattern in Photoshop, so let's get right to it. So for my art software, I am using Paint Tool Side to draw these elements in, and in the end of the video we're going to be using Photoshop to create the pattern itself. For this pattern I'm drawing 4 main elements and 1 simple background element, which will be a blue little paw. Save your file as a PSD with each pattern item on its own layer. Open up your pattern elements into Photoshop, take them and rearrange them on the canvas. I use a square canvas, 10 by 10 inches at 300 dpi, which should be large enough for most projects. Once your elements are arranged, merge all layers into one layer. Then go to Filter, Other, and Offset. Offset the pixels horizontally first, and then adjust the spacing between the pattern elements. And then go to Filter, Other, Offset again. This time we're going to offset it vertically. Adjust the spacing to make room for additional pattern elements if you have them. Merge all layers and offset once again with all the elements added. Then it's time to make any final adjustments and add any extra elements as needed. I usually mess around with the offset a few times, just to make sure everything's looking correct. Then go to Edit and Define Pattern. Create a new canvas with your desired resolution. Select the Paint Bucket tool and change foreground to pattern and select the pattern that you saved. And voila! Just Paint Bucket your new pattern in there. I like to experiment with fill colors for the background, so I keep my pattern on its own layer. Also, if you find that your pattern is looking too large, just save multiple sizes of the original repeating file and define patterns from each of those.